Hi everybody. Today we are going to see about the informed search strategy. Under that greedy best first search algorithm we are going to see. In the last video I have uploaded about the uninformed search strategy and what is the main difference between informed search strategy and uninformed search strategy means. In the uninformed search strategy, the problem definition alone is given, but in informed search strategy, not only problem definition, but also it has some efficient algorithm to find out to reach the goal faster. Heuristic function will be available in the informed search strategy. So under that today we are going to see about the greedy best first search. It is the algorithm which expands the node that is the closest to the goal. Okay. So as I told you, any problem definition, initial node will be given and goal will be known. So what is the goal node to reach? That path, it has to find out of several other paths. Okay. So what is the heuristic function it uses means? It is the h of n is called as the heuristic function of the particular node, which is the estimated cost of the node, that is the cheapest path from the node n to a goal node. So here the evaluation function f of n is equal to just a h of n to evaluate which node to be selected out of generated successors. So in for this video, I have taken an example from artificial intelligence book authored by Start Russell and Norwich. In that example map is given. In that map, the initial node, let it be the A city. Okay, here, if you see initial node A and it successors are Z node, S node, and the T node. Okay, this is the root finding problem. So these are all the nodes, that is the several cities, and their straight line distance has been given from A to S. So 140 is the distance like that. Okay. So here in this problem, A is the initial node and this B is the goal node. Okay. So you have to reach from A to B. A is here the initial node. Okay. So here in this example, they have given a straight line distance table. Okay. In that here the goal node is B. So its distance will be what? 0. Because that city distance to the same city will be the 0. From A node to B, this B, from Arab to Bucharest, it is the 366. That is from A to B, the straight line distance is 366. Okay. And from D to B, it is 242. Like this, a table is given. Okay. What this is the H of N. Okay. From each node. Here, if N is R, okay, from N to B, because goal node here is B. From this N to B, it is this 193. From T node to B, it is 329 if this is N. Okay. So this is the table which gives the straight line distance which is taken as here H of N. Okay. So here, if you see, from A, it is the initial node over here. So what is the distance? From the table, it is 366. And from A, okay, it can reach to Z node, T node, and S node. Okay. So that it is generated. So these are all the heuristic function. HSLD, straight line distance. Okay. This is S nodes H of N. This is T nodes H of N and Z nodes H of N. Okay. So what is here? It is a minimum. It is S nodes. Okay. So it will expand that node. Okay. This will be expanded next. Okay. That is shown over here. So it is expanded from S. From this graph, it is the successors are once again A, F, and then O, and then this R. And these straight line distance sources are taken. Okay. So out of this, which is minimum? Okay. What is the H of n minimum? Means it is this F. Okay. So 176. It is taken. From F, the successors are S and B. Okay. So from this F, so S and this B. Okay, only it has two successors. So that will be expanded. Okay. So out of this HSLD, so it is the goal node, which is 0. So which is 0, that will be the goal node. So the greedy best first search, it stops over here. Okay. Greedy best first search tries to expand the node which is closest to the goal. Okay. So which helps to find the goal node quickly. Okay. So it actually resembles the depth first search, but it follows a single path all the way to the goal. Okay. So its disadvantage is or it is not optimal, and it can be incomplete also. What do you mean by incomplete? It may not find the solution also. Okay. So with this, here I am winding up about greedy best first search. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.